welcome. My name is Scott, and I am your host today. This is episode 2 of the freeteachertech.com podcast. I'm going to show you how to create a free WordPress website today. Now, we're going to start by opening up our favorite browser. My personal favorite browser is Google Chrome. Now, there are 2 WordPress websites. One is wordpress.org, where you can download the software to upload to your own server, or wordpress.com, which is what we're going to go to right now. wordpress.com. WordPress.com is going to allow you to set up a free WordPress website right here. Create your new website for free. So we are going to create a website. So far, so good. Following along. It's going to ask you for your choice of your themes. Now, they give you somewhat of a limited option here, but let's choose something good for our classroom here. This looks like fun, right? Pick that. Find a domain. Now, here's your options here. If you already own a domain, they can help you set it up for $13. You can buy a URL, which is what I suggest doing for sure, so that your kids don't have to go to, for example, mrpanfil.wordpress.com. They can go straight to mrpanfil.com. But we're going completely free in this video, so we're going to go with the example wordpress.com right here. All right, so enter a domain or keyword. We're going to say Mr. Panfil. Let's see if it's available. Look at that. mrpanfilblog.wordpress.com. I'm going to select that. That's my free option here. And again, today we are going completely free. Now, here are some options that they give you, and I'm going to come flat out and say don't go with these options. All right, if you're going to go this route, go the free version, because for $99 per year, you can get a better website hosted somewhere else that's going to be just as easy to set up, and it'll cost you about half that. So instead of this $99 per year, we don't want that. This is somewhat important to notice, though. This says no ads. That means that this one will have some ads, and my district in particular does not allow ads on the classroom websites. But again, today we are going completely free. That's the goal of this. Get us a little bit familiar. Maybe you don't want to build one for your classroom yet. Maybe you just want to get used to it. Do one for yourself here. So select free plan. Okay, my email address. There we go. Choose a username, Mr. Panfil blog. You know what, my username, I'm just going to keep it simple. Mr. Scott Panfil. Make sure I spell it right, because that is going to trip me up. All right, and creating a password. Just give me a second. You don't get to see it. Nice. We're back. Create my account. So it's free. Almost done. You see WordPress is doing this all for me. Adding the theme, free plan selected. Obviously, I'm just reading what's there on the screen. So at this point here, we have a classroom website ready to go. This over here, once you get used to this, even if you end up buying hosting from somewhere so that you don't have to see the ads, this is still the same thing that you would have. This is the dashboard to a WordPress site. All right? You can change the themes, you can change pages, you can write a blog post, you can check the stats and see how many of your students are coming here. So within that had to have been what, 10 minutes at most, we have a completely free and working blog here. In fact, I'm going to write a quick blog post. So I'm going to blog post, add. Now, why doesn't it look like the theme? Because that theme included pictures and I haven't added any pictures to it. If you follow along with amplifyyourclassroom.com and you sign up for the SiteGround hosting, like I suggested in that does come with pictures and no ads and any of that. So if you do want to go one step further, and actually create the classroom website so that there's no ads and it looks really pretty right off the bat, go to amplifyyourclassroom.com and you can follow along with a free 5-day course that I made to show you how to set up a WordPress blog through SiteGround, which is the hosting provider that I use for all my sites and I like a lot. Now that's not 100% free, the course is, but building the site isn't because you're paying SiteGround for the hosting. But because of that, you're also getting really good support, and you're getting a free URL, so you'll send it directly to yourname.com, and you don't have to worry about ads being put up here. But here is our first draft as that was loading. Let's say welcome to my new site, exclamation point. And then you start typing in it, just like any Word program. This is my new classroom website, comma, I hope you enjoy. You enjoy, yeah, great. I hope you enjoy. You can make things bold or italicize the same way that you would in Microsoft Word. Here, watch this. I hope you enjoy for these reasons. Okay, I'm going to add a bulleted list. Why not? It's free, it's easy, and it's done. All right, so this is, like I said, 10 minutes, maybe a little bit less, to set up a completely free website on WordPress.com. So I'm going to save that, publish right here. It's saving, and then we're going to take a look at what the actual website looks like from this point on. All right, my site. Hey, look at that. We have some stats. Let's go to mrpanfilblog.wordpress.com. Okay, this is what it looks like. Mr. Panfil blog, create a free website at wordpress.com. There's the ad right there. Create a free website or blog at wordpress.com. Now, again, my district doesn't allow ads. This is a really, really unobtrusive ad. If you're using this for a business or for personal use, that's completely, innocuous. Barely notice that at the bottom. My personal classroom website doesn't have that because I paid the $50 for the first year for it. If you have any questions, please email me at scott@freeteachertech.com. Of course, scott@watchyourheads.com will work as well. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week where we're going to talk about starting a classroom podcast. It's a lot of fun. I thank you.